This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Right? It was last week, as we discussed, that there were the online sessions created much of excitement in our hearts. Why? Because it's always good to talk with each other. Communication is very, very, very essential part of our life. जो मैं दिमाग में सोचती हूँ वो मुझे अगर आप तक पहुँचाना है, for that I would need good communication. And to have good communication in English, we need to read more of the words or more of the books, so that you will have good vocabulary build-up. So, in that, helping for that, the last video's homework was to read chapter number 7 that I read once. साथ में ही getting started, that was the homework. I got many queries regarding how to solve it. So in this video I am going to explain chapter number 7, that is space, and along with that we will discuss the homework of the previous video. So are you all ready? Okay, let us go for it. Now please open. This was the last video that we had done, 8, 9, 20. Clear? This was the homework. Now, as you can see, this is the code. See, dot, line, line, line. तो आपको ये ABCD के नीचे ढूंढना है कि dot, line, line, line कहाँ है. Yes, I've got. See, dot, line, line, line. So the first word is J. Then second over here is dot, line, line, dot. So you have to find over here नीचे से कि dot, line, line, dot पर क्या है. See, dot, line, line, dot. So which letter is this? This is P. So the second word over here is P. And dot, line, dot, dot. That is here. See, dot, line, dot, dot. So here it is L. So the code is JPL. Now what is JPL? JPL is, as you can see, Jet Propulsion Lab. It's the name of the lab जिसको नासा ने build किया था. Jet Propulsion Lab. Right? So the answer would be Jet Proportional. What do you think the letters in the answer stand for? Jet Propulsion Lab. You have to write the answer over here. Jet Propulsion Lab. This was the answer. Alright. Chaliye. Now today we will start with the explanation of this chapter. I've already told you once. एक बार हमने read किया है, so that you know that what is this chapter actually meant. Now, I told you to see Mission Mangal. आप में से सबने, I guess, बहुत सारों ने देखा ही होगा. But then too also I told that if you have forgotten, so please watch Akshay Kumar and Vidya Balan starred Mission Mangal, right? Because this can relate you. ये story जो है वो उसके साथ relate हो जाएगी आपकी easily, right? चलिए, so are you all ready? Let us start with the explanation. Page number 102. Hi folks, I am Mangalyaan, a spacecraft. It is 5 November 2013. This is pretending that Mangalyaan, the spacecraft, is talking, अपने आप से बात कर रहा है, right? खुद ही आपसे बात कर रहा है, रीडर्स के साथ बात कर रहा है. I am Mangalyaan, a spacecraft. It is 5 November 2013, the date of my launch. I am curious to go in space and reach the Martian orbit. Martian is Mars orbit, right? However, I am also a bit nervous. It's my first journey to space. I know that no spacecraft has been able to reach the Martian orbit in its first attempt. In addition, all I have travelled until now is from the ISRO Center, Bangalore, where I was made, to Sriharikota, from where I'll be launched. A 36-hour journey, that too in a truck. I think my launch vehicle is ready now. Right? So the spacecraft, the Mangalyaan, is introducing himself to you. कि मैं मंगलयान हूँ. It is 5th November. Which date is this? 5th November 2013. Now, which date is today, children? Yes, today is 11th September 2020. तो ये कब की बात है? Almost 7 years. Right? So, it is the date of its launch. I am curious to go into space and reach the Martian orbit. What was his work? His work was to go to the Martian orbit. मंगल ग्रह पे जाके वहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना, पिक्चर्स कलेक्ट करना, गिव डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन, माइन्यूट इंफॉर्मेशन टू इसरो. इसरो क्या है? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इसरो इज इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. व्हाट इज इसरो? इंडियन Space Research Organization, ISRO. Right? Most of us are aware about ISRO. जिन्हें नहीं पता है उनके लिए है. Right? So, obviously, जैसे हमें डर लगता है वैसे spacecraft was also nervous. Why? Because he is telling that nobody has ever visited Martian orbit. अब तक मंगल ग्रह पर कोई नहीं गया था. Nobody went. Second thing which he's a bit nervous about is that he has traveled from his birthplace to the launch place. That's the only travel that he had done. मार्स जाना माने रिक्शा में बैठ के यहाँ से अपनी स्कूल जाना ऐसा नहीं है. Right? There is a long journey to be traveled. So he says that I have just traveled a 36-hour journey. That too I was in truck. Obviously जब तक मिसाइल लॉन्च नहीं किया गया तब तक ट्रक में होते हैं या कोई और मशीन्स में लेके जाते हैं. So he tells that these two things are making him nervous. But yes, then he says that I think my launch vehicle is ready. जहाँ से उसको लॉन्च करना था सैटेलाइट को रॉकेट में डालना था. So rocket is known as launch vehicle. Now the launch vehicle says, are you ready to fly? This vehicle is asking. Mangalyaan, yes I am. I can hear the final countdown. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's ignite the booster. Let's ignite the boosters माने शुरू करते हैं. Boosters माने जो if you can see, if you know रॉकेट को ऊपर जाने के लिए जो धुआं निकलता है, जो साइड में जो होते हैं ना, that they are known like they are giving extra power. ऊपर जाने के लिए थोड़ा सा पावर चाहिए होता है जो फ्यूल बर्न करके मिलता है. सो लेट्स इग्नाइट द बूस्टर्स. उनको चलाए तो दैट नीचे पुश मिलेगा, सो दैट द रॉकेट विल फ्लाई अपवर्ड्स इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. लॉन्च व्हीकल्स डन. वेयर योर सीट बेल्ट. बी प्रिपेयर्ड माई फ्रेंड, वी आर अबाउट टू लिफ्ट ऑफ. राइट? ही सेज दैट एवरीथिंग इज डन. वेयर योर सीट बेल्ट. पकड़ के कस के बैठो. वी आर गोइंग टू लिफ्ट ऑफ. अंडरस्टूड दिस पेज? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Launch vehicle. Here you go. I hope you know that for a few months you have to revolve around the Earth's orbit and at the right time you have to enter the Martian orbit. अगर आपने मिशन मंगल देखा हो तो उसमें समझाया था, right? See, when a spacecraft is been launched, so ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ से निकल के सीधा ऐसे जा सकेगा. No, it's not that easy. It revolves in a circular path around the Earth, right? यहाँ से घूमता रहता है. एंड जब सही पॉइंट आता है तब एक किक मार के देन इट गोज इनटू द मार्टियन ऑर्बिट. जो मार्स है उसकी ऑर्बिट में चला जाता है. राइट? तो द लॉन्च व्हीकल इज मेकिंग मंगलयान अवेयर अबाउट दिस पॉइंट दैट यू हैव टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड द अर्थ्स ऑर्बिट फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ एंड एट द राइट टाइम यू हैव टू go to the Martian orbit. Mangalyaan says, yes, I know. I have been trained to do that. Hey, what's that going towards Mars? Another spacecraft? Right? Meanwhile, he sees some another spacecraft. देखो ये हमारा spacecraft है और ये देखता है कि कोई और spacecraft भी वहाँ पे है. Launch vehicle says, oh yes, NASA has also launched their spacecraft, Maven. It will directly enter the Martian orbit. ये इसका मेवन का भी पर्पस क्या था? टू इंटर इनटू द मार्टियन ऑर्बिट. मंगल ग्रह में प्रवेश करना. दैट वाज आल्सो their intention of NASA. Now जैसे इंडिया के लिए इसरो है वैसे अमेरिका के लिए it is NASA. So today those who have watched this video will text me up, will message me personally what is the full form of NASA. If ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization, then what is NASA standing for? So you have to give me the full form of NASA. जो आज वीडियो देख रहा है, those who need to reply me in personal message the full form of NASA. Okay, right? So the launch vehicle says Mangalyaan, that yes, MAVEN is a spacecraft which has been launched by NASA. Right? Mangalyaan says, my next step is orbit raising. But what's this? The main engine isn't responding properly. I will have to reignite the main engine. I hope this works. I don't have much fuel. If it doesn't, then the mission will end right here. इसको अगर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझना है तो again I am telling you that mission मंगल अगर आप देखोगे so technically क्या क्या चीजें होती है. See, this is something very very deep rooted into science. So in that movie, if you will watch the movie, you will recognize or you will realize that which or what kind of efforts they put. कितनी मेहनत लगती है ये सारी चीजें करने के लिए. Right? It's not that easy कि यहाँ से बैठ के यहाँ चले गए. What happened in the middle of this thing that उसका जो engine था, it shut off. Right? So to overcome that, उसको पूरा reignite करना पड़ा, वापस शुरू करना पड़ा main engine को. Right? But then the Mangalyaan is wondering कि अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो mission यही end हो जाएगा. So I have to reignite my engine. Clear? चलो, understood this part? Here, launch vehicle and Mangalyaan comes out of the launch vehicle in the space, and Mangalyaan in the curiosity asks कि यहाँ पे एक और भी चीज है, ये क्या है? तो launch vehicle says that it is MAVEN, which is the spacecraft of NASA, and you guys are going to tell me the full form of NASA. All right. Soon after that, the main engine of Mangalyaan shuts off. And he is worried. Right. Chale, with the help of all the calculations made by the ISRO team, Mangalyaan successfully left the Earth's orbit. Right? Earth की orbit को उसने छोड़ दिया. Yahoo! I left the Earth's orbit successfully. Let me send a picture to the team as a farewell gesture. जब Earth की orbit से छूट गया, तब orbit, you understand orbit. These are orbits, right? See, every planets, they have their own orbit, जिस तरीके से वो घूमते हैं. Right? So in the space, this spacecraft is working according to the orbit of Earth. Now at a certain point, एक ऐसी जगह पे उसको Earth की orbit छोड़नी थी, and he successfully did that. So he says that let me send a picture to the team for the farewell gesture, उसको उनको याद दिलाने के लिए, because ये spacecraft अब वापस नहीं आएगा. हमेशा याद रखे, whichever spacecraft has been launched in the space, वो फिर वापस नहीं आता है. Right? सिवाय दिस वे तो सैटेलाइट्स, बाकी सिवाय ऐसे स्पेसक्राफ्ट के जो इंसान लोग जैसे कल्पना चावला है या सुनीता विलियम्स है, so they all went into the space and they came back. Right? They were in the rockets and they were in the spacecraft, but these are the satellites. So when they are launched, उसके बाद they never come back. Right? So he's just giving a farewell. Farewell माने जब आप चले जाते हैं सबका. चलिए, turn the page. Mangalyaan says, it has been almost 9 months here in space. Now it's time to enter the Martian orbit. I have to be careful. It is the most crucial step of the mission. Crucial माने सबसे important, very hard and important. I have heard many Mars missions have failed at this step. To enter the Martian orbit, I have to reignite the main engine, which was last ignited some 300 days ago. There is no scope of error this time because of the fuel shortage. Right? As again I am telling you the same thing कि मिशन मंगल में ये चीज बहुत अच्छे से दिखाई है. What? That to this spacecraft, this Mangalyaan was in the space for about 300 days. फिर एक करेक्ट टाइम पे उसको एक जर्क देके मार्स की ऑर्बिट में जाने देना था. राइट, he was facing two problems. First, because there was no fuel, and second, that as he had ignited this machine before 300 days, so there were some complications के possible है कि ये मशीन फिर से ignite ना हो, फिर से reignite ना हो, अच्छे से काम ना करे. राइट, so these were the problem and मूविंग फ्रॉम वन स्पेस. अच्छा सुनिए, एक और चीज यहाँ पे आई नीड टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जब भी कोई चीज स्पेस में होती है, इट फ्लोट्स बाय इट्स ओन वे. उससे हमें जर्क देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. इट फ्लोट्स, अपने आप से उड़ता रहता है. बट अगर आपको सही डायरेक्शन में जाना है, देन यू नीड सम प्रॉपर फोर्स. राइट, फ्लोटिंग इज अपने आप में उड़ना, क्योंकि स्पेस में अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो भी चीज हम ऊपर फेंकते हैं वो इट कम्स डाउन. इट वाई? बिकॉज ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स दैट इज अर्थ इज हैविंग. नाउ व्हेन यू गो आउट फ्रॉम अर्थ्स ऑर्बिट, तब आपके पास ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं होता है. एंड दैट इज द रीजन दैट स्पेस में चीजें अपने आप उड़ती रहती है. दे कीप ऑन फ्लोटिंग और दे कीप ऑन फ्लाइंग. क्लियर? So at this certain point, मंगलयान को क्या करना था? He had to leave Earth's orbit and he had to enter Martian orbit, right? And as I told you, there were two complications. One was fuel, and second was that the engine might not report properly, right? Let's see what happens next. Mangalyaan says, the team has slowed down my velocity. Velocity, as I explained you, velocity is the synonym of speed. Speed in terms of direction is known as velocity. Right? जब speed और direction दोनों का ध्यान दे, then that particular word which we can use is velocity. So the team had slowed down the velocity. This is the right time to ignite the engine. Oh no! This can't happen. I am entering into an eclipse in the shadow of Mars. Right? Mars के पीछे एक shadow था जहाँ पे eclipse हो रही थी. Eclipse माने क्या हो गया? There is no sunlight here. The solar panels are not of much use now. I have to quickly switch on my lithium battery. Lithium battery का जिक्र भी मिशन मंगल में हुआ था. वहाँ पे दिखाई भी गई है what are lithium battery. Right? So when the Mangalyaan enters into the eclipse, मार्स और अर्थ के बीच में कुछ एक प्लैनेट आ गया. सो इट हैज टू लाइक उसका जो मार्स का शेडो था वहां पीछे ये चला गया था. राइट, सो बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग द सनलाइट, द सोलर पैनल जिसके ऊपर से ये पूरा स्पेस क्राफ्ट चल रहा था, दैट वॉज नॉट एबल टू वर्क. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वाज प्लान बी? प्लान बी ये था कि मंगलयान अपनी लिथियम बैटरी, रिपीट आफ्टर मी, लिथियम बैटरी को ऑन करे. द टीम हैज इग्नाइटेड द इंजन टू. Phew, the things are under control now. Phew is again an expression. जैसे हमने आहा उह किया था, that kind of expression, right? When everything was settled down, then हशकारा जो होता है ना, हश. So that way it also says हश. चलो अब तो ठीक हो गया, everything is under control now. चलिए now. On 24th September 2014, ये कब है? 2014 September, 24 September. लॉन्च कब हुआ था? It was launched on, can you see the date? 5th November 2013. Can you see it? 5 November 2013. और ये है 24 September 2014, almost a year, right? 10-11 महीना. Hey, what's wrong? Can you see me? ISRO, do you copy? Over. I'm not getting any reply from the ISRO team. This happens rarely. I guess the communication has broken because Mars is in between the Earth and me. Now, How would I get to know whether I have entered the Martian orbit or just wandering somewhere in space? I can send signals to the two NASA stations at Goldstone, California and Canberra, Australia. They are also tracking my journey. They can see me much earlier than the Indian team. Right, on 24th September क्या हुआ? He suddenly realizes that he is not getting connection था, वो पूरा इसरो से टूट गया था, कंट्रोल पैनल पूरी टूट गई थी मैंने कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो पा रहा था. Right, they were not able to hear each other's instructions. And why it happened? Because Mars था वो अर्थ और स्पेसक्राफ्ट के बीच में आ गया था. Right, so now the Mangalyaan is wondering कि अब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा, who will direct me? See, यहाँ पे तो it's because Mangalyaan is considered as a living body और ये आपके साथ बातें कर रहा है. Actually it's a machine, right? So it itself cannot take any decision. जो इसरो की टीम बैठती है, the brain over there, they are working day and night to make this mission successful, right? So he tells that the Mangalyaan is wondering कि अब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अर्थ है वो देख ही नहीं पा रहा था. Where is Mangalyaan? Right? So the reason behind, because Mars था वो अर्थ और मंगलयान के बीच में आ गया था. Clear? So he was wondering. So he adds that कि मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस भेजता हूँ नासा को. नासा के जो दो जगह है जहाँ पे उनके वर्कशॉप है या उनके स्पेस स्टेशन है, कहाँ है? गोल्डस्टोन कैलिफोर्निया में एंड कैनबेरा ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. राइट, दिस टू स्टेशंस वेर ट्रैकिंग इट्स जर्नी. वो अपनी उसकी जर्नी ट्रैक कर रहे थे, रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे. एंड दे कैन गेट मी सूनर देन द इंडियन टीम. इंडियन टीम से जल्दी इनके साथ कॉन्टेक्ट हो पाएगा. राइट, ओके. नाउ after 25 minutes, Mangalyaan, finally they have received the signal. Yahoo! I am in the Martian orbit. We made it in our first attempt. Like good host, Curiosity and Maven are welcoming me on Mars by sending their greetings on social media. Let us get to work and let me send some pictures of Mars to the ISRO team. राइट, ये सब कुछ होने के बाद 25 minutes, almost about after 25 minutes, it finally received the signal and it came to know that yes, I have entered into the Martian orbit. And as a good host, जैसे नासा ने भी उनके स्पेसक्राफ्ट भेजे हुए थे, which were Curiosity and Maven. जैसे हमारा मंगलयान था वैसे ही Curiosity is the name of a spacecraft and Maven is also a name of the spacecraft. So they are welcoming this Mangalyaan on the Mars by greeting on their social media. एक दूसरे से सिग्नल्स में बात कर रहे हैं. राइट, हैंडशेक करने नहीं गए. दे आर टॉकिंग थ्रू देयर सिग्नल्स. Let us get to work and let me send some pictures of Mars to the ISRO team. Right, so this Mangalyaan successfully made his existence on 24th of September 2014 जब इंडिया का मंगलयान went into the Mars. Alright, this is the whole story, and as I told you, for any brief detailing please watch Mission Mangal. Clear? चलिए, in today's session I'll end up over here. The homework would be write down word meanings in notebook. Clear? अगर इस चैप्टर में अभी भी कुछ समझ में नहीं है, it's very easy chapter. Once you know that what is Mangalyaan, that's very easy. What is space, it's very easy, right? So if at all you don't understand anything, please tell me, please let me know. Clear? चलिए, next Monday, that is Friday के बाद आपका Saturday Sunday तो आपके week holidays है. So Monday को we will be doing the textual exercise. Right? चलिए, till we meet, don't forget to do the homework, huh? Please write the word meanings or new words in the notebook. Right? चलिए, till we meet tomorrow next week. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.